Hello, my name is Jaswinder Singh. I am living in Italy. I am 30-year old and I am suffering from vitiligo last 10 years. I have used this product. I have recovered lot of part, but I want to show you my leg where I have vitiligo recovered. Here we go. So here is vitiligo, and I am using hair from last 6 months, and I use vitiligo every day one time and in the evening when I go to sleep. So here is dot come out and it start recovering now. Here you can see I have also hair, but I did not apply here. I want to recover firstly this part, and after I will starting using on the other part. So thank you vitiligo. I recommended this product to everyone.